In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn video custom thumbnail. If you want your LinkedIn video post to look more polished and catch more attention in the feed, adding a custom thumbnail is a simple but very effective step. A thumbnail is the image people see before they play your video, so choosing the right one can help make your content look more professional and easier to recognize at a glance. To get started, go to your LinkedIn feed. From there, begin creating a new post by clicking the video icon. This will open the upload window where you can select the video file you want to share. Once you choose your file, LinkedIn will begin uploading and processing it. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just wait until the preview becomes available. As soon as the video is processing and you can see the preview screen, look toward the top right corner of that video preview. You'll see the edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. Click that pencil icon to open the editing options for your video post. This is where LinkedIn gives you access to thumbnail settings. Inside the edit menu, find the option called Select Thumbnail, or in some cases, Upload Video Thumbnail. Click that option and then choose the image file you already saved on your device. LinkedIn typically allows a JPEG or PNG file for this step, so make sure your thumbnail is in one of those formats before you upload it. It's also a good idea to use a clear, high-quality image that matches your video content, because this helps viewers immediately understand what the video is about. After you select the thumbnail image, LinkedIn will apply it to your video preview. Take a quick moment to review how it looks. If everything appears the way you want, click Done to confirm the change. From there, continue finishing your post as usual. Add your caption, make sure the text supports the message of your video, and then publish the post when you're ready. That's it. You've successfully added a custom thumbnail to your LinkedIn video, giving your post a cleaner and more intentional appearance in the feed. With just a few clicks, you can make your video stand out more and create a stronger first impression before anyone even presses play.